children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. My name is Radhika and today we are starting a chapter that name is The Wind and the Sun. About the chapter teaches us the gentleness and kindness represented by the sun and are not effective than force and aggression represented by wind. So once the wind and the sun had an argument. एक बार wind यानी कि हवा और sun का argument हो जाता है यानी कि बहस हो जाती है. I am stronger than you, said the wind. Wind कहते हैं I am stronger. No, you are not, said the sun. Either of them claimed to be stronger. दोनों में से दोनों अपने आप को क्या कह रहे थे कि I am the stronger. At the last, they decided that one who proved himself stronger would be stronger. Just then, they saw a traveler wrapped in a blanket was passing by. तभी उन्होंने सोचा कि प्रूव करके दिखाओ कौन स्ट्रॉन्ग है. तभी उन्होंने देखा एक ट्रैवलर वहां से जा रहा था, उसने ब्लैंकेट को ओढ़ रखा था. The sun and the wind agreed that whoever could separate the traveler from his blanket would be stronger. The wind took the first turn. अब दोनों डिसाइड करते हैं जो भी उसका ब्लैंकेट उतरवा देगा वो ज़्यादा स्ट्रोंगर है. So the wind जो है वो पहले अपनी टर्न लेती है. The wind started blowing with all his might. जितनी तेज हवा चल सकती थी उतनी तेज चलती है. The traveler held his blanket tightly. The wind blew still harder. The traveler held his blanket more tightly. The struggle went on till the wind's turn was over. और जितनी तेज हवा चलती उतना ही ट्रैवलर जो है अपना ब्लैंकेट और टाइट पकड़ लेता और ये स्ट्रगल जो है चलता रहता है यानी एफर्ट दोनों की कोशिशें चलती रहती हैं. Now The wind failed. अब wind उसका ब्लैंकेट नहीं उतरवा पाते. It was the sun's turn. अब किसकी बारी है? sun की. The sun smiled gently. The traveler felt warmth of the smiling sun. और तेज धूप से smiling sun से जो ट्रैवलर है वो क्या फील करता है? थोड़ी सी warmth यानी कि गर्मी फील करता है. And soon he let the blanket open और ब्लैंकेट को उतार देता है. The sun's smiles grew warmer and warmer. Now the traveler took the blanket off and took it in his hand. और अब sun जो है वो और ज़्यादा ब्राइट होता जाता है और ट्रैवलर अपना ब्लैंकेट उतार कर अपने हाथ में ले लेता है. एंड फाइनली द सन वॉज डिक्लेयर स्ट्रोंगर देन द विंड. और इस तरीके से सन जो है वो विंड से स्ट्रोंगर डिक्लेयर हो जाता है. राइट. सो दिस इज द स्टोरी. What to know? Argument, discussion in which two or more people disagree. Blanket, a piece of cloth used to protect in winter. Gently means kind. Struggle means make strong efforts. Now it's the turn of exercise. First is tick the correct option. There was an argument between tree and wind, sun and moon. So sun and wind. You have to tick the correct answer. Next is fill in the blanks. First is either of them claim to be stronger. कि दोनों जीतना चाहते थे. Okay. So like that you have to fill the blanks. Next is question answer. First is what was the reason of the argument between the sun and the wind? They want to prove themselves stronger. Okay. So like that you have to answer all the question. So this is the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter. You have to read it once again and do the remaining exercise yourself.